Hello everyone and welcome to Atlabs. I am Mohini and today this tutorial is about the workflow Start From Scratch, where we convert a blank canvas into a full AI video with image prompts, adding styles, voiceovers, motion, and then we'll see the entire video. So let's get started. So this is the screen that'll show up once you have logged in or signed into the Atlabs account. Now here you'll see the start from scratch option and just click on that. Select the language, I'll choose English and click on create a story. Now this screen will be visible where you just see that it's a blank canvas. The preview is blank, the scenes are blank, the images are blank. So everything is same. All you have to do is basically we are the one who has the full authority over this story. So let me just quickly first write down the name. I'll just say start from scratch flow. You can edit the name. Okay, so let's start with our story. Just click on this scene. Now you can refer to any of the image prompts basically from the earlier generated story where the prompts were automatically generated from Atlabs, whether it was text to video story, audio video story, or a script or screenplay story. So you'll get an idea. So there's a very helpful enhanced feature here. Let's say this is your basic scene that you want from this particular image. What you can also do is to get a right prompt, you can just basically type one sentence here and ask AI to enhance that prompt for you. They will automatically create a proper image prompt and it's here with the scene, with the technical details, with the lighting and location. Now we need to choose the style. So let's say I want to choose, let's say, brush. I'll click on the style and click on regenerate image. So our image has been generated. What you can also do is you have the right here, you can just play with the prompts, you can change the style and regenerate the images. So with the mythic style, this was the image that got generated. Let's choose the mythic style. So now you can just like add a new scene, click on the three dots here on the image and click on add new scene. You can do this multiple times for the number of scenes you want. You can also duplicate the scene. You can add a specific shot within this scene. One scene can have multiple shots. Now let's generate a voiceover. Let's say my dialogue is I came into the world as a light. Let me copy the dialogue here. And let's say I choose United States and maybe Lily Wolf. You can also upload your own audio here and just click on generate voice. So we have done the visual. You can also edit this image in case you want to just like change the color or there's anything you want to edit, just write the prompt here, or you can give a reference image and write the prompt so it will regenerate your image. Right now we have generated the voiceover. The voiceover is done.
I came into the world as a light, so that no one who believes in me should remain in darkness.
So basically the voiceover is set. Now let's add motion to it. We can choose any of these models. Let's choose multi-shot video. We can take the help of magic prompt to generate the prompt for us. You can select the video duration. Let's say we want it for 5 seconds. The prompt is ready, duration is set, image is there. Just click on generate video. So our motion is ready. While the motion was being generated, I just added two more scenes, did the same thing, wrote a basic prompt, enhanced that prompt, generated basically a voiceover, and I did the same for the third image. Now we have the motion for this one all set. You see, this is the motion with that model. Now let's choose another model for this one's motion. Let's choose Google 3 Fast and take the help of magic prompt and wait for it to generate the motion with this one. Let's have a 8-second motion for this one. Okay, so our prompt is ready here. Let's generate the video. You can also switch on the audio in case you want a background music or sound effect for it. Our prompt is ready for this one, 8 second and generate. Also, you can like drag and drop any of the scenes if you want to like alter the positioning. And let's wait for all of these to get generated and then we'll see the final video. So basically, this is how the basic start from scratch flow works. You can just add more scenes, you can delete any scene if you want to, or you can delete it directly from here. And yeah, it's simple, easy. So our video is all ready with all the
I came
motions. Now you can add the background music to it. Select from any of these inbuilt music, adjust the volume, change the caption style, maybe reduce, adjust the vertical position, text size, and the length of the sentence. Now also that you can adjust the aspect ratio here while you started with the image generation so that it is exactly generated as per the aspect ratio of your story. So yeah, I think
In
this
him
is all ready. You can export, click on export, and the video will be exported and it will be sent to your official Atlabs mail ID.
I came into the world as a light, so that no one who believes in me should remain in darkness.
In him was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it.
Through him all things were made. Without him nothing was made that has been made.
And you are all set to start from scratch. I hope this tutorial video was helpful for you, and if you end up making any story, don't forget to mention Atlabs and collaborate with us. We would love to see your stories. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and take care.